The DoubleDown and Kickback, handmade modular e-bikes built to be repaired. We're launching these bikes on Kickstarter to bring a different kind of e-bike to life, one built on repairability, modularity, and honest craftsmanship. From our small Portland workshop, we hand-build each frame from vanadium steel, brazed with brass for strength, longevity, and easy maintenance. These bikes are made to be kept, not tossed. Both the DoubleDown and Kickback are designed with interchangeable motor systems, so you can choose or swap between the CYC Photon2 Mid Drive, compact, torque-rich, and fully tunable. The Grin all-axle hub motor, smooth, silent, and low maintenance. Either motor fits either bike, giving you full control over how you ride and maintain it. No sealed boxes, no disposable tech, just high-performance bikes built to evolve with you. Support us on Kickstarter and help reshape what e-bikes can be: repairable, modular, and built to last.